Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Ford Edge. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get into a midsize crossover that knows how to make your life easier. This sleek Edge is loaded with powerful performance, smart tech, and features that optimize comfort and convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. See how luxurious sporty can be. Take this sleek Edge out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.